All right, guys, this is the final build. This Spank 350 double wall rim with a Shimano center lock disc hub with a micro spline free hub body. We use DT Swiss black spokes, combination of single and double butted. And brass nipples, which will make this, which will make it easier to adjust the tightness of these nipples over time. So I'll spin it and give you a sight of if it's straight, if it's round. So looks like it's good to go. There's no up and down when you look at the top of the rim. It's not bouncing up and down. It's round. It's true, meaning that side to side, it's not bouncing side to side. It's completely straight. It's tensioned and it's dished, meaning that if this was the bike frame, it would actually be sitting directly in the center of the bike frame. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye.